form validations feature in the Drupal Webform listener pushes information into the data layer every time a form submission fails as a result of a validation error. You can see an example of the code that's pushed into the data layer here. So if we look at a website containing a form and we have the Google Tag Manager debug open, we'll attempt to submit a form with a validation failure, and you can see an event is pushed into the data layer. Now, ListenLayer pushes this in with a specific event name that can be targeted to create triggers in Google Tag Manager, and collects all the information specifically about the form as well as the actual field validation errors that were triggered. You can capture this information easily in Google Tag Manager because it's read in the data layer. And if you don't have the debug window open, you can see all of this easily in the console of the browser as objects that contain the events and the data layer information. If you're looking to target a specific variable, you can also copy the property path from here. If you want to track form validation errors, but you don't want to push them into an external analytics tool like Google Analytics, then you can just turn on data layer reporting inside of ListenLayer so that you can pull information and insights about data that you might not necessarily want to send to all of your analytics platforms.